You know, it's always worth seeking out further advice when researching your family history. As a professional genealogist, I learn day in, day out. I never stop learning, and you should do the same. There's plenty of sources of advice and information and people out there to help you build up your knowledge of your ancestors and the context in which they lived, the documents that are available, the records that are available. I was at a recent talk that I give to family history societies and came across a book I hadn't seen before, pre-1841 UK census sources, which I purchased and am working through at the moment. So look out for opportunities to pick up publications on records that you're interested in or new areas to study. Do keep yourself up to date. Do keep your continuing professional development up to date and keep learning. It's a lifelong process. It's a vast subject. You never stop learning in this game.